Hi, third grade. I'm going to read you this book. It's called Pteranodon, and it is all about pteranodons. And this book is written by Lee Rockwood. Meet the Pteranodon. Have you heard of the Pteranodon? If you thought the Pteranodon was a flying dinosaur, you were right. It is true that the Pteranodon was a prehistoric flying reptile. It is also true that it lived during the age of dinosaurs. The Pteranodon was not a dinosaur, though. Flying reptiles, such as the Pteranodon, belong to a group of animals called pterosaurs. Pterosaurs and dinosaurs were close relatives. Paleontologists have learned a lot about the Pteranodon by studying its fossils. For example, they know that the Pteranodon had a short tail and a crest on its head. The Late Cretaceous period. Scientists use geological time to break Earth's long history into smaller time periods. The Pteranodon lived during the Late Cretaceous period. This period of geological time lasted from 89 to 65 million years ago. The Pteranodon and the rest of the pterosaurs became extinct at the end of the Late Cretaceous period. This is the same time the dinosaurs became extinct. Paleontologists have different theories or ideas about why all of these animals became extinct. They are always looking for more clues about this mass extinction. A flying reptile. The Pteranodon was one of the largest pterosaurs. A fully grown Pteranodon had a body that was about 6 feet long. The wingspan of a Pteranodon, this size, could be up to 33 feet. The Pteranodon was very light for its size. It weighed only about 15 pounds. This was in part because Pteranodons had hollow bones, as today's birds do. One of the Pteranodon's mystery features is its crest, the bony growth on its skull. Some paleontologists thought that the crest helped the Pteranodon steer while flying. Other scientists thought that the crest helped Pteranodons tell each other apart. This page is called Eating on the Fly. The Pteranodon was a carnivore. This means that it was a meat eater. Since it lived near oceans or seas, the Pteranodon's diet was made up of marine animals. These animals included bugs, crabs, fish, and shellfish that lived during the Late Cretaceous period. The Pteranodon had no teeth. How then did it hunt and eat? Paleontologists think that the pterosaur scooped its prey out of the water using its beak-like mouth. It would then swallow its food whole. This way, the hunting and eating might have looked a lot like the way today's pelicans eat and hunt. This page talks about male pteranodons and female pteranodons. Fossils give paleontologists many clues about an animal. They use this information to come up with theories about that animal's life. When paleontologists look at pteranodon fossils, they can see that females had bigger hips than males. This is because pteranodons likely laid eggs, just as other dinosaurs and today's reptiles and birds do. Paleontologists also saw that males had bigger crests than females. This new discovery led scientists to change their ideas about the purpose of the crest. Scientists once thought that the crest helped the animal in flight. Today, it is thought that the male's crest helped to draw in its mate. So that book was all about the Pteranodon.